Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how you can change the modes in a Syma remote control of the Syma X5C quadcopter. It's a very easy procedure. All you have to do, first let's see the mode in this remote. It's now in mode 1. I don't know if you can see the LCD. Now it's in mode 1. Okay, all you have to do is turn off this remote, pull this trimming button to the right, and then turn on the remote again. It makes a beep sound to show you that the modes are changed. Now it is in mode 2. To change back to mode 1, all you have to do is turn off this remote, pull this trimming button to the right, and then turn on this remote control again. It makes a beep sound and it's now in mode 1. The only difference between mode 1 and mode 2 is that in mode 1 this right stick is forward, backward, right and left, and this left stick is throttle and right yaw and left yaw. However, in mode 2 this right stick is front, back, yaw right and yaw left, and this left stick is throttle and right and left. So the difference between mode 1 and mode 2 is that the yaw and the left and right flip. So in mode 1 this becomes right and left. However, in mode 2 this becomes yaw. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel because there are several videos coming about quadcopters and modifications you can do to your quadcopters to have a better experience. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.